A lot of people on my channel ask me, can you build a free website with Wix? And the answer is yes, but with some limitations. And in this video, I want to show you how you can do this and when you really need to upgrade. And without further ado, let's start and see what we can do. In order to get started for free, you will find my partner link down in the video description here, just the first one. And when you use it, you're helping me and my channel, and you can sign up for free for Wix. So just click on it and then it will bring you to this page. And here, yes, it's free, upgrade anytime. You just type in your email address, a password, and then you can sign up. And once you have done this, you will land on this page, and here the AI of Wix is greeting you, and you can start chatting with it. You can tell it about your project here, what's your site about, and then you can continue. I will do this really quick, and then we will see us in the next step. And now we will land in the dashboard of Wix. And here you can see how many people are on your site in analytics, how much money you made, and also answer your questions which you get from your website. But in order to start, we just click on Design Site, and then we can choose from a variety of different templates. In Wix, we have over 800 different templates. And the best part, they are all for free for now. They are all included inside the platform. And here you can just type in what industry you are. For example, if you are a business, if you have a health and wellness business or an educational business, or if you're a designer, you can choose whatever industry describes your business or your personal website the best. And for example, I will choose business websites, and then I can just browse through the templates and see what website template looks the best and perfectly fits my need. And I've used this template here, and you can always take a look first. Just click on view and it will show you the template, and here you can just click through, browse through your page, and if everything looks perfect for you, then you can start editing the site. And by the way, this is still free. So everything we've seen so far, the admin area, the dashboard, and all the templates are free. That's very nice of Wix that we can do this for free. And you can also just start editing your site here. So the whole editor is for free to use. So you can just drag everything around and make it your own site. You can edit the text, for example, hey, I am Julian, and just make it your own personal website and without paying yet. So this is what you can do here. You can also start uploading your own pictures here. So just click on the image, then change background, image, and then you can upload your own media from your desktop PC. Just click on upload. Choose the picture you want from your desktop, and then it will be uploaded and it will be automatically optimized in size. So the loading time of the site is still intact. So that worked perfectly. So you can really play around with the editor, and you can add as many pages as you want. Because right now you see these pages are all from the template, but you can just start adding new pages. And here Wix also gives you templates. So you don't have to start from scratch. You can just choose this template, for example, for an About Us page or for a contact page. You also have a variety of different templates, and then you can just click add and it will add the page for you. And as you noticed, we are still on the free plan. We didn't pay for it, so it's not limiting us by the amount of pages we want to add. So that's really cool what you can do for free with Wix. And you can even go one step further, because Wix has a lot of different business apps for different cases. So for example, here the Wix Business Solutions, and it offers you Wix stores, so you can sell your own product, or Wix Chat, so you have a little chat window here where people can send you texts, or you have Wix Bookings, so people can book appointments with you. And all these are also free to install. So you can just go ahead, click here on Wix Stores, and then start uploading your own images for your products and set prices. And only if you want to start selling them, then of course you need to upgrade. All these apps are included in the Wix premium plans, and you can now just start installing them for free and try them out. And some of them are even working already. For example, the Wix Chat app is working. People can send you messages here. And now you might asking yourself, when is actually the time I need to upgrade? So let's go back to the home page. You can now edit the page, make it your own page, and then you can even publish the page. So we can click here on publish, and then the page gets publicly available on the web, and we can take a look. And we see that the website is live under a dummy domain. So here it says julianshomepage.wixsite.com/business site. And you can change this part, and you can also change this part of the URL, but this part stays the same. So it always has a wixsite.com in the domain. But some people aren't even bothered by this, and they just keep this URL. But if you want to make things professional, you of course need to upgrade. Then you can connect your own domain. And the next part, which is kind of blocking your site, you will always have a banner up here saying this website was built on Wix, create your own website today, get started. So they include their own branding and their own advertising on your site. So that's also not perfect if you want to use your site professionally. Back in the days, they had this banner at the bottom. So a lot of people weren't even bothered by this, and they kept the dummy domain and the banner at the bottom. But right now, this is kind of disturbing. But the cool part is you can take the URL, it's live on the World Wide Web, and you can share it with your co-founders, with your colleagues, with your family, and people can already take a look. They can also send you messages already, so some of the functionality is working. But of course, if you want to sell products or services, then you need to upgrade at some point. And therefore, it's also fairly easy. You just go back here to the editor, and then you can just click on upgrade and compare the different plans. So for general understanding, you can use all the templates, you can use the editor, you can upload as many pictures as you like, and you can add as many pages as you like, and you can use some of the apps from Wix already. But if you want to have your own domain and you want to remove the Wix ad banner from the top of your page, then you need to upgrade, and you do this by clicking here. And a small note, if you do this within the first 3 days when you sign up, you will see a 50% discount up here. And just make sure that you use my link down here, the partner link, because it will increase the likelihood of seeing this discount. Just click on it, sign up for free, and when you upgrade, you might see the 50% discount up here. And now people ask me all the time, what plan should I use? And it's very simple. You don't need these two because you can always upgrade later. And these plans are for existing businesses, as the name suggests, business and business elite. And you can always just upgrade later. So we don't need to bother with these ones at the moment. You can just choose between the core and the light plan. And the main difference is here the storage. So here you just have 2 GB of storage, which is okay for sites which have like 10, 20 different images on the site. And you also get a free domain for 1 year for free. But if you want to have more space, for example, you are a photographer and you have a lot of pictures you want to upload, then you need some more space with the core plan. And the main difference between the two is that here on the core plan, you can accept payments. And you can accept payments, for example, for basic e-commerce functionality. So if you have your own online store selling your products or services, and that's why it costs, of course, more. But the good part is when you get the 50% off, you will get it even cheaper than the light plan for the first year or for the first 2 years. Therefore, just click on select, and then you can choose between the billing cycles. And if you choose 2 years, you will save the most because then you get 50% for the first 24 months on your plan. And yeah, this was basically it. So you can go ahead, just click on the link, sign up for free, choose a template, then you can make edits. You will get your dummy domain and it will be live on the web. But once you want to make things professional, then you need to upgrade. And if you do this very quickly, you will get a 50% discount from Wix for the first year or for the first 2 years. And I hope this answers the questions how to create a free website with Wix and at what point you need to upgrade. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you're down there, you might also want to leave a like. Thank you for that and see you in the next video.